If your dealership is not using a Google Ads campaign for lead generation, it should be. Why? Because consumers love doing all their own research, and Google owns search, and a search campaign can put your dealership front and center, making you the obvious choice. So let's get started with how Google Ads even works. Your ad can appear in someone's search results when they search for terms or keywords that are related to your dealership. It is the keywords that are going to connect you and your dealership with the potential customer. Now, just in case you're new to all this, keywords are nothing more than words or phrases that you choose when you set up a Google Ads campaign. These are the terms that you think your potential customers are most likely to use when they start searching for what your dealership has to offer. By matching your keywords with the ads that you create, you are going to make it easy and possible for your ad to show up when someone runs a Google search and uses those terms. Now, fortunately for all of us, Google makes it really easy to know what these keywords actually are. And there are 3 ways for you to find out what these keywords are and how users are using it to find your dealership. The number 1 way and the easiest way to get these keywords is when you are in your Google Ads platform, you just enter in your website address in the keyword search box. Google will then scan your website and provide you with a list of potential keywords that you can use. And they are going to do this in a matter of seconds. Just pick the ones that you want to use for that campaign and get rid of the rest. Now, the number 2 way you can do this, you can dial into your Insights tab that's located within your Google My Business profile. The Insights section is going to provide you with all the top keywords that people are using to find you and your dealership. And the number 3 way, you can dial into the Keyword Planner tool within Google Ads and get a very long list of keywords. Now, fair warning on this one. You will most likely want to pare this list down as it's going to pull all the available keywords available. You could end up with hundreds, if not thousands of keywords. Now, if you've never done this before, don't fret too much over getting the list exactly right. Once you launch the campaign, Google will be providing you with additional suggestions and updates on the keywords that you can add in later on. Now, when you go to enter in those keywords into what's called the ad group, you are going to have 3 choices for how to classify these keywords. These choices are broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Now, with broad match, you will be telling Google to show your ad next to any search that contains the keyword that you entered. With broad match, your ad can show when someone searches for that exact keyword, any variation of that keyword, as well as other related topics. Broad match keywords help you reach the widest audience possible. Now, with the phrase match setting, you are going to tell Google to show your ad when someone enters any part of the phrase that you added in. Now, phrase match is a lot more flexible than exact match, but is a lot more targeted than the broad match option. Finally, exact match. Now, as the name would imply, exact match keywords must be an exact match. These are the most specific and the most restrictive of all the Google match types. Generally speaking, users would only see your ad when they've typed in your exact keyword or that phrase by itself. Now, one of the best things about Google Ads is that you have complete control over your budget. You decide how much you want to spend. Google will never exceed that amount. You also have complete control over the scheduling of your ads. You get to pick the exact days, the exact times that you want your ads running. You also can block out any times that you do not want your ads to run. Now, there are 3 types of ads that are working well for automotive marketers right now: search ads, display ads, and video ads. With search ads, your ad will appear as a text-based ad in the search results. Display ads are those image-based ads that appear on websites where your potential customers might visit. Think of these like a newspaper ad or a magazine ad. And with video, your ad format will be a video. But to do this, you're going to need a YouTube channel, and these ads are going to run on YouTube along with any of Google's video marketing partner sites. Now, Google Ads was built as a self-serve ad platform, and I got to admit they did a pretty good job of making it easy for you to build out a campaign. Once you log into your Google Ads account, you simply start checking off the boxes and filling in the blanks. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to decide is what is your goal for the campaign. Right now today, Google has 7 pre-built goals that will help direct you to what type of campaign that you would want to run. These include sales, leads, website traffic, product consideration, brand awareness, app promotion for all the app builders out there, and local store visits. Now, for automotive marketers, my recommendation is to focus on 2 goals, especially if you're new to this and starting out. The first one, website traffic, and the second one, local store visits. Website traffic campaigns are pretty much the bread and butter of Google advertising. You know, Google is a search engine. Users are using it to search for the products and services. Your ad can direct them to your website and answer their questions or showcase the product that they're actually looking for. Everybody wins. Now, with the local store visit option, the goal is to get users to visit your physical location, which is a great option. If you're a service center, quick oil change, tire dealer, repair shop, maybe even a parts store. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions on how to build a Google Ads campaign, do not hesitate to reach out.